Hey, it's Todd Ault, and these are Wall Street Words. Today's word, friendly takeover. Now, we've talked about takeovers before. Friendly is the opposite of unfriendly, obviously. Friendly is generally between two firms that agree to merge or one to be taken over by the other. There's a board of directors that has to approve them on both sides. Those board of directors seek a shareholder vote or proxy, and both shareholders approve the transaction. Now, this has to generally go through the DOJ. The DOJ has to sign off on the antimonopoly practices and make sure there's no monopoly practices taking place, antitrust as they call it. There's lots of examples of friendly mergers out there. Usually they're in the same vertical, like one telephone company taking over another, like MCI was taken over by WorldCom. Those are two examples of that. But there are examples of companies that want to buy another company to go into a different business or a different field. The word is today, friendly takeover. Hey, do you want to learn more about Wall Street words, Wall Street terms, and things that can possibly help you make money? Click any of the cards on the screen. Always great things happening here. Please subscribe and pound that bell if you want to get alerted.